Okay, ako ang Sigaw, and tama yung sinabi sa akin yan ni Brother Mayor yung Brother sa Jesse. Nanaan nila ako sa pag-share. But first, I work in the sales department of Horizontal Corporation. So, then when I was asked to share about how God works in my life, the reasons why I'm still in God, I had no second thoughts. I said yes to God, sige Lord, para naman ko sa'yo. And I will share your great love for you, behold me through people. My life is covered with stories and situations of how God made me what and who I am now. So ano ba ang ngayon?
Yes.
Ano ba sila ngayon? Let's read from before me. So as a child, I was with Jesus. So devoted ang mama ko sa Catholic Church. But I was, BQ ako, selfish, and I must be the center of attention. Coming from a dysfunctional family, nag-start na yung drive ko to achieve and to prove myself. As an adolescent naman, I lost Jesus kasi the most important things to me then was first my grades. I engaged in hindi lang nagtalo ako sa grades, then nagtalo rin ako sa athletics, lawn tennis, nag-theater rin ako, and other extracurricular activities. Tinoto mo na lahat ng talent ko. And then I set aside the Lord. Then college came. First year of my college days were okay. But when the Lord tested my faithfulness, I collapsed ako, brothers and sisters. I admit that I even condemned him. It was 2001 when family problems came. From my sibling, sa siblings ko, sa mga kapatid ko, up to our financial status. So from that moment, one thing mattered to me. Money. Even small amount of buyer, I need to find work for my expenses. Making independent and of course at that time, working student now. And then I joined the group and quit afterwards. So I was with my journey that time, nowhere else to go. I started to become a man of